Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an easy DIY on how I made this chain detail belt. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So I follow fashion blogger Fashion Influx, and I love her sense of style. She oftentimes styles her looks with this chain detailed belt, and I always wonder where I could get the same belt. I did see a similar one on ASOS, but I figured I can make it myself, and you can too. So here are the products you're going to need. So you're going to need a jewelry lobster clasp. This is the one I got, but you can get any of your choice. Then you're going to need a set of jewelry pliers. I got mine from Joann Fabrics, but I did see some on Amazon, so I'll link that in the description box for you all. And then next you're going to need a needle puncher. So this is used to create holes in a belt, so we'll definitely be needing this. And then next we need a set of eye closure hooks, and then needle and thread. And then of course the chain of your choice. I got mine again from Joann Fabrics, but you can get it from any jewelry store. So let's begin. So here I am just measuring where I want the chain to fall. You can measure it to your own desired length. This is where I wanted it to fall. So we're just going to take our set of cutting pliers, and then we're going to cut the chain. So now we're going to take our set of pliers, and we're going to put them at the end of the chain. And so what we're going to do is pretty much twist the pliers in the opposite direction. So sorry I kind of got out of frame here, but we're pretty much just twisting the pliers in the opposite direction to open up the end of the chain. So these are the belts of my choice. I only use these two, so don't mind that third one in the back. So we're going to take our eye closure hook as well as our needle puncher, and then we're just going to pretty much position the eye closure hook to where we want it to be on the belt. And then we'll take our needle puncher and create just a little hole. We're not going to feed the needle puncher through the belt. We just want to create a little hole. That way it can be easy to feed the sewing needle through the belt. So I already sewed one part down of the eye closure to the belt, as you can see here. So I'm just going to show you guys how I sew down the other half. So as you can see, I'm putting the needle through the punctured hole that I put in the belt. And it's just easier to feed through since we have that little hole. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You're just feeding the needle through the belt. So here I just decided to try on a pair of jeans just so that I can get an idea of where I wanted to place the second eye closure hook. So once I had my placement, I took a pin and I just placed it on the belt, and then I proceeded with sewing the second eye closure hook onto the belt. so this is how I styled the belt. I love how it turned out, and I think it looks quite similar to Fashion and Flux belt. What do you guys think? What I love most about making this yourself is the fact that the chain is removable, so I can put it on any belt of my choice. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you plan to try this. If you do, definitely make sure you tag me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram name below. And also remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll speak with you guys in my next video. Bye.